In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Squarespace website in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a beginner looking to showcase your portfolio or an entrepreneur wanting to kickstart your online presence, this guide will help you get started in no time. Let's dive right in. First, open your internet browser of choice and type Squarespace into the search bar. Hit Enter, and you'll see the official Squarespace website pop right up. Click on it, and you'll be welcomed to their sleek and intuitive homepage. Once you're on their website, look out for the Get Started button. It's usually positioned prominently on the page to catch your eye. Click that, and it's here the real journey begins. As you click Get Started, you'll be prompted to answer a few questions. These questions are essential as they help Squarespace tailor the experience precisely to your needs. Think of it as setting a solid foundation for your creative venture. Carefully answer each prompt, whether it's regarding the purpose of your site, the kind of style preferences you have, or the primary goals you're aiming to achieve with your new website. Taking a moment to contemplate your answers will really help in choosing the design that's right for you. After you've worked through those initial questions, it's time to select a template. Squarespace offers a wide variety of beautifully crafted templates, each optimized for different types of websites, be it blogs, portfolios, or e-commerce platforms. Browse through the library and preview any templates that catch your eye. Choose one that best aligns with your vision and needs. Remember, the template is your creative canvas, but it can be customized later to suit your style more specifically. Once you've settled on a template, your new site will be created. You're almost there. The next step is to click on Edit Site. This is where you can modify your chosen template to make it uniquely yours. The editing tools are quite user-friendly, allowing you to easily drag and drop elements, change colors, upload images, and alter text. Spend some time experimenting with different features, adding your content, and seeing how your site comes to life. Customization is key in making your website stand out, so ensure everything aligns with your brand identity. Adjust fonts, colors, and layouts as necessary, and don't be afraid to get creative. Squarespace provides a flexible design interface to really help you make the site personal. As you wrap up your customizations, don't forget to save your progress regularly. Once you're happy with how your site looks, it's crucial to hit Save and then Publish. Publishing your site makes it visible to the world, enabling you to share your work, business, or whatever you're passionate about with your audience online. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've created a professional and polished website tailored to your unique needs. Keep exploring and experimenting with the features to expand your site as your skills grow. Thank you for joining me today, and enjoy your new space on the web.